Discover Zhongtuo Advanced Cable Tray Production Line. Designed to deliver high efficiency, precision, and versatility. This fully integrated line covers every step from uncoiling, leveling, punching, forming, rolling, to cutting, enabling smooth production of multiple specifications in a single workflow. With this line, manufacturers can significantly boost productivity, reduce manual labor, and maintain consistent quality, all while handling a variety of cable tray types. Ideal for both manufacturing and installation applications, our equipment can be customized according to your production drawings, ensuring the exact dimensions and requirements for your projects. Whether you are producing standard sizes or complex customized designs, this production line provides a seamless, reliable, and time-saving solution for modern cable tray factories.